Children, if you see this question, you can understand that we are going to subtract here. Now you have to find the bigger number. Here it is 4 meter 9 centimeter and 9 meter 3 centimeter. You have to see the bigger unit, meter and centimeter. In meter and centimeter, meter is the bigger unit, so you have to check the meter column. That is 4 meter and 9 meter. So 9 meter 3 centimeter is bigger than 4 meter 9 centimeter. But you may be confused that 9 centimeter is bigger than 3 centimeter, but you should take the whole number. Okay, that is 4 meter 9 centimeter is one number, 9 meter 3 centimeter is another number. So you have to take the bigger one, that is 9 meter 3 centimeter, subtract or minus 4 meter 9 centimeter. Let's write it. Now you can see I have written meter and centimeter, then 9 meter 3 centimeter minus 4 meter 9 centimeter. You cannot start subtracting. Now why? Because always in centimeter there are two zeros. That means 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So you have to first borrow from 1 meter. Okay, let's borrow. Now you see I have borrowed 1 meter. I brought it to centimeter and it became 100 centimeter. Now you may start subtracting. But before that, you should remember that when centimeter is in the right side column, you have to place two places. That is, you cannot write 3 minus 9. This 3 is always a 0, 3 and 0, 9. This you can do it beforehand in the question even. When you see 9 centimeter, do it as 0, 9 centimeter, and here also 0, 3 centimeter. Always centimeter must be in two places. Here centimeter is in two places. Once you do this, you will not get confused and you can write it like this. Now 0, 3 minus 0, 9 you cannot do. So you borrowed 1 meter and became 100 centimeter. Now 100 plus 3, that is how much? That is 103. You can write it like this, or you can just write 1 here. If you write 1 here, that means 100 you brought it as I taught you before. That is 103 minus 9. Now you can subtract 0, you cannot borrow anything. So this is 1 you cut. Here it will become 0. Now this place became 10 ones place. From here again you will bring it here to this ones place. That became 10. 13 minus 9, that is 4. Now you subtract. 9 minus 0 is 9. And then 8 minus 4 is 4. So the answer is 4 meter 94 centimeter. If you do it without writing 0, 3, 0, 9 and you start doing subtraction, you may end with this 4, not 94. Okay, so this is the thing you have to remember. Okay, now there is the second question, children. Find the difference 12 kilometer, 28 meter and 42 kilometer, 5 meter. So what I told you, first you have to find out which one is the bigger unit, kilometer or meter. It is kilometer. So which kilometer is bigger you have to first find. Don't look at the meter one for finding which one is greater or smaller. It is advisable to look for the bigger unit. So 42 kilometer is bigger than 12 kilometer. So you have to underline first. You can underline like this. So this one is the bigger one, 42 kilometer 5 meter, and this 12 kilometer 28 meter is the smaller one. Now first, before doing the subtraction, remember 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So meter when it is in the second column, you have to write 3 places. That is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So as 100 place is not there, put a 0. Like there you have put in centimeter 2 places. Similarly here meter is having 3 places. Okay. Here you have only ones place. Put another 0 before, that is in tens place, and another 0 to the hundreds place. Now you see 12 kilometer 0 to 8 meter and 42 kilometer 005 meter. Now your question is ready. Until and unless you put the zeros, do not go for subtraction. Now let me write it out. How to start subtracting. Now you see I have written it. Now my question is ready to start operating. Okay. So in meter you see 005 and 0 to 8. Before subtraction I told you if the upper one is smaller then you cannot subtract, so you have to borrow. Start borrowing from kilometer, the greater unit. So 1 kilometer, when I take it out of 2, 1 is left. Now 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So instead of writing here 1000, I will just add it to this, and if I put it in thousands place 1, that means 1005. Now out of 1005 meter you have to subtract 28 meters. It's easy. Now you can start. How you will do? 5 will ask to ones place, will ask to tens place, nothing is there. Tens place will ask to 100 place, not there. Now 100 place will ask to thousands place. So this from thousands place you will borrow 1 to 100, that will become 10. Now from 100 place it will be borrowed to tens place. So here 9 and here 10. From tens place we will borrow to ones place, that is, now your question is ready. 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 0 is 9. Now here 0, you need not write. Now our 3 places are ready for meter column. Go to kilometer. 1 minus 2 we cannot do. You can borrow from your, that is 10 plus 1, 11. I wrote it directly. 11 minus 2 is 9. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now 29 kilometer, 977 meter. I hope you understood this question. Try such type of questions and do not make mistake by not adding the zeros to the places before it. Okay.